Hi guys, and welcome to the channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really do appreciate it so very much. Today is kind of a bonus video just because I feel like I'm behind after taking some time off. And anyway, it's unboxing. So the first one is my Glossybox for April. I can't believe it's already like halfway through April. That's absolutely crazy to me. And then I also have my Macy's beauty box in here. I just stuck the card in because everything else is in there. These are both $15 a month for me. I did do a deal for Glossybox where I got a 6-month subscription for $90. I paid all up front, so it ended up being $15 a box instead of $21, which is ridiculous. Like, that's a ridiculous price. Anyway, I'm going to start with the Macy's just because I'm a little bit more curious about it. This month has the bag back, which is very nice. It's very shiny. It's like a crackled material. It's very different. It actually feels crackled, which I was not expecting. When I pulled it out, I was like, wow, this is a little interesting. And then, as always, you do get your $5 coupon. And this month is a little different. They changed it. Last month it said $10 off a $40 purchase. This time it says $5 off of a $20 purchase. So they have put in minimums now. It used to be, you know, a $5 off a 10. You couldn't do just 5 for 5. It never worked quite that way, but it's a little bit, they've upped the required amount. So everything comes in this little tissue paper. I do love the bright pink tissue paper that they have. The first thing I'm pulling out is from Makeup Eraser. This is just a small makeup eraser. It's a premium sample. And I've gotten these in the past, but I've never really used them. I'm not into having to wash things constantly. And I don't like having, you know, piles and piles of laundry sitting around. I already have that as an issue. So I think this one I will be passing along just because it's not really something I'm interested in. I'd rather use a cleansing balm. I do like my cleansing wipes. I know. But it's just not for me. That also had a lot of fuzz. Like, I can still see it flying about in front of me a little bit. The next thing I see in here is from Natasha Moor. Oh, and I should tell you prices because there are prices. So the makeup eraser, I guess the full size is $20. And Natasha Moor, this is a brand I am not familiar with at all. This retails for $24. It is a full size. It is a black eyeliner. I'm just going to show you what it looks like. I don't use eyeliner. I should. I have so many that are open that I need to use up. But I end up passing along all of the eyeliners I get just because I never use them. So that's the first one. That one retails for $24. That's the first one because nope, that's not it. This is it. I saw it in my little brochure. This is another eyeliner. This is from Clinique. I do really like Clinique, and I have some of their eyeliners actually. So this is in Intense Ebony. It's another black eyeliner. Why do we need 2 black eyeliners? I mean, definitely the value is here because this guy retails for $20, which is nice, but who on earth needs 2 black eyeliners in 1 month from a subscription box? Maybe they're trying to make up. Then here's the next thing that I pulled out. This is from Bodyography Pro, and it is a brush. It's kind of funky though. Like, it doesn't seem to be very even. The bristles, it looks a little jagged. Maybe once I wash it, it will lay a little bit better. This retails for $8, which is not too bad for a brush. It's very lightweight, and the bristles feel very soft. So hopefully that will be a good one. Then we have our perfume samples. We have I Want Choo by Jimmy Choo. This is a very nice scent. I already own it. I bought it like as soon as it came out. I love the name for it. But it is a really nice one. It has notes of velvety peach and jasmine are rounded out with warm vanilla. And I really like the scent. It's very light. It's a nice, bright scent. I think it's very mass appealing, which is also something I usually like in my perfumes. I don't want something that's super heavy or dark. Then there is the Jimmy Choo Man. This has lavender, honeydew melon, pink pepper, and suede. That will also be passed along. So far I'm keeping the brush and the bag. I do like the bag. And then the last thing in here is from YSL. I'm excited about this. This is the Touche Éclat primer. I've had this in the past. I liked this in the past. It's really expensive though. It does have teeny tiny little flakes of gold in there, like ridiculously so. But this is definitely something I will use. I will get use out of because I've used a few of these over the years that I've gotten in samples. I haven't gotten one for quite a while actually. And I remember really liking this primer. This retails for $52 for the full size. So, whew. All in all, not the greatest bag for me personally. Usually the perfume is something I really look forward to. This is just one of those weird months where I already have it. Two black eyeliners is definitely a fail for me. I have no use for two black eyeliners. And even if I used eyeliner on a regular basis, I still think two is excessive. I like the brush. I will be happy to try the brush. And the makeup eraser was nice. It's not something that I'm really interested in. One thing that I just noticed that I wanted to show you, it does say that this month's box has a $67 value, which is really cool. I don't remember seeing that before, and I might go back and look and see if any of the other ones do. Look for a note down below. It will tell you if they did. All right, Glossybox is next, and I love these boxes. Like, I repurpose these boxes all the time. I store like so much stuff in them. This is what it looks like. You do get your brochure with this one. Anyway, we're going to untie it. I also keep the ribbon. I have delusions of crafting and doing something with these, but I have yet to do that. But I do keep them, and I have lots of ribbon. I did make cards years and years ago, but I haven't done that in a long time. All right, so this is what it looks like. I'm going to pull out the first small thing in here. This is from NCLA. I am not sure if I like this nail polish brand or not. I have been trying to test out all of the nail polishes that I have that are not OPI or Essie or Deborah Lippmann, because I know I like all of their formulas. So I have those separated, and then I pulled out all of my other nail polishes, and I've been painting my nails like once a week or so, or before they chip. Like, I was supposed to have pretty pink nails today, but that polish did not last. So this will go into that pile to see what I think of it and how I like the formula. This retails for $16. That is a crazy price. The name of it is We're Off to Neverland. Oh, that's so cute. Neverland. I love Peter Pan. It's a great show, and I grew up watching the Mary Martin version. I like that so much better than the Disney. Like, I like the Disney version, but I don't know. There's something so magical about the live Broadway show. Then the next thing in here is a mascara. This is a Nourishing mascara. And this retails for $19.90. Just checking the ingredients. If you don't know, I found out last year that I have a hemp allergy. So anything like that's all natural and stuff, I get a little bit concerned with, and I double check ingredients to make sure it doesn't have hemp or CBD in it, because I don't want to have reactions like I did before, especially around my eyes, because yeah. Anyway, so this is what it looks like. It is a squeezy tube, which is kind of nice actually. Like, I feel like it's a little bit probably more environmentally friendly. I don't know. That could be just me making things up. So like I said, this retails for $19.90. I'll show you what the brush looks like. I'm not going to open it because I have so many mascaras that I'm already trying to work through. There we go. It gets close and it doesn't want to focus. It doesn't want to give the right light, I guess is what I'm trying to say. All right, then we're going to pull out this guy. This is from Cargo Cosmetics. This is a Swimmables. I've had some of these in the past. I haven't, like, Cargo, I feel like, is a brand that's struggling. I had some eyeshadow palettes. I think all of those are going to be decluttered, actually. So this is, and I don't really see them putting out, like, new stuff ever. Let me know if I'm just, like, if they've dropped off of everybody's radar or just mine. So that's what it looks like. I don't do liquid or cream shadows, so I'm going to put this in my pass along pile because that's not something I will use. That retails for $20. So I feel like we're getting a good value this time. We've gotten 3 full-size products, which is very unusual for Glossybox, I feel. Then I have this set from Beauty on the Go. This says it is for most loyal subscribers. So you probably wouldn't get this if you are just subscribing. I know I saw something about how they were going to have a different product for new subscribers. So this is what it looks like inside. So what am I getting in this kit? So you have a new brow, and it's supposed to apply to the brow line each morning and evening using brow brush to maximize results. It doesn't really tell me. And then there's a new lash, which I guess, so that's to grow your eyelashes. Sorry, I'm trying to read. And then new reflection, apply a thin layer onto clean wet skin, gently massage in upward circular motions, leave on for 5 minutes, rinse with warm water and pat dry. So it must be, oh, this one, it actually says what it is instead of on the actual box. So this is a complexion perfecting polish, a lash enhancing serum, and a brow enhancing serum. Well, the lashes I will pass along because that's just definitely not something that I'm interested in. This retails for $74 for this little set. The exfoliator I will definitely use because I do really love exfoliants. So that's something I will use. I might try the brows. My brows are naturally like weirdly shaped. So I might give that one a go, but definitely not the lash. I don't know. That stuff makes me nervous. I don't like putting things super close to my eyes. That's part of the reason why I'm not a huge eyeliner fan either. So that's that. I mean, that's a crazy value for this box. Then we have a Be Calm patch, and this does say it is hemp infused. So this one will definitely be passed along. So this retails for $12, or 4 patches retail for $16. Well, that's kind of silly. So you leave this on and it's supposed to calm you over the day, the course of the day. That will be passed along to someone. I don't know who, but someone. And then the final thing in here is a giant Freeman mask. This is the French pink clay peel off mask. Ooh. I mean, I'm going to probably try it. My mom loves peel off masks, so I might do this with her because she's always like, let's do a peel off mask. So I might do this with her. It's nice and squishy because I've had some of my peel off masks that are a little older. They've gotten really hard and then they become bouncy balls, which is so fun. So for $15, I think this was actually a really good box. I feel like I'm going to get some good use out of things. I will definitely give the nail polish and the mascara a try. I will use the pink mask. I will use the exfoliant in that set. The only thing I'm really not excited about is that hemp patch, which was a bonus or an extra treat, as they say, and then the cargo eyeshadow stick. That's just not something I'm really interested in. So overall, I think this was a good value and much better value than I think other boxes are giving right now, especially because I got this for $15. So I'm very excited about that. Let me know if you've gotten either of these subscriptions, what your thoughts were on these month's boxes. Definitely think Glossybox blew Macy's out of the water. I hope you're all having a fantastic day. Thank you so much for stopping by. Don't forget to like the video if you liked it, or unlike it if you didn't like it. And leave me a comment. If you haven't subscribed already, please do subscribe, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.